Hey guys, welcome to another video by me, Fitness Technology Services. Today is not really going to be a how-to. We're going to research this particular noise. I get a lot of people who send me clips of their noises, and well, I'm not sure. So what was sent on this call was a flywheel or brake assembly, I guess it's more properly called. All right, so I'm going to swap that out and we'll see if this noise is in the flywheel brake assembly. All right, so let's see. Okay, so the machine's back together, flywheel's installed, and I honestly can't believe it, but proof is in the pudding. That's what it was. So just keep that in mind when you're troubleshooting your ellipticals. That sort of squeaky noise, even though you wouldn't think it would be in your flywheel, it certainly is. All right, so I just want to give you a follow through on that. I have plenty of videos on how to install the flywheel if you need to do that. I just wanted to do a little troubleshooting sound for you. Thanks a lot.